Hey guys, this skin cleansing routine is designed for acne-prone and oily skin. It helps remove blackheads, reduce excess oil, and support healthy skin texture. This method is commonly used in professional skincare treatments. Asterisk, presenting concern, ashed. On your form, you noted concerns with acne and blackheads. Can you tell me more about what's been happening recently? How long has this been a concern? Asterisk, lifestyle and triggers. Help me understand what your skin might be reacting to. Have you noticed any patterns related to stress, your cycle, diet, or sleep? Asterisk, current home care. Walk me through your daily routine, morning and night. What specific products are you using and how do they make your skin feel? Listen for over-drying, over-exfoliating, or using comedogenic products. Asterisk, goals and expectations. What is your #1 hope for your skin after today's treatment? What does better skin look and feel like to you? Manage expectations. One facial won't cure acne, but will significantly decongest and calm. 3. Visual and tactile analysis under magnifying lamp. Ask. Now with your permission, I'll examine your skin under this bright light. I'll be looking at pore size, congestion levels, types of lesions, and overall hydration. Asterisk. Procedure. Asterisk, procedure is gently cleanse a small area of the cheek with a damp cotton pad if makeup is heavy. Use a disposable lancet to gently asterisk, press test asterisk an area of congestion. Asterisk, verbalize your findings educationally. I can see some beautiful, clear areas here on your temples. On your T-zone, I'm observing significant follicular filaments. That's the medical term for the tiny, open pores that often look like blackheads. True blackheads, or open comedones, are a bit more oxidized and wider. I notice some papules and pustules, inflammatory acne on the jawline. These are not for extraction today, as they are inflamed. Our focus will be on the non-inflamed congestion. Your skin's barrier feels slightly compromised here on the cheeks, a bit tight and reactive. We will be very gentle and include barrier strengthening steps. Asterisk. 4. Treatment plan and consent. Asterisk. Summarize. Based on our conversation and analysis, here's my plan for you today. We will perform a deep cleansing facial, focusing on gentle, effective extraction of blackheads and non-inflamed congestion. We'll use a salicylic acid-based enzyme to soften the plugs, a therapeutic mask to reduce bacteria and oil, and finish with calming, non-comedogenic hydration. We will avoid aggressive manipulation of inflamed areas. Does this sound like the right approach for you? Asterisk, explains sensations. You may feel a slight tingle during the chemical exfoliation step, which is normal. During extractions, there will be some pressure. Please use this signal. Demonstrate raising a hand if you need a break or if anything is uncomfortable. Obtain verbal consent. Do you have any final questions before we begin? Part 2. The step-by-step treatment protocol * goal. To execute a sequential, scientific, and luxurious treatment that delivers tangible results. Ask room setup. Ensure all products, tools, steamer, magnifying light with ring, gauze, cotton, and extraction implements are sanitized and within reach. Play ambient, calming music. Step 1. Pre-cleansing and makeup removal. Time 3 and 4 mins. Asterisk goal. To dissolve and remove sunscreen, excess sebum, and makeup without harsh rubbing. We'll begin by gently melting away the day's impurities. This oil-based cleanser will bind to the oil and makeup on your skin, allowing it to rinse away cleanly without stripping your skin. Asterisk action. Dispense a cleansing oil or balm onto dry hands. Gently massage over dry face and neck with upward-outward strokes. Use slow, lymphatic-focused movements. Emulsify with lukewarm water and rinse thoroughly with wet cotton pads or a soft sponge. Asterisk. Key knowledge. Asterisk. Oil dissolves oil. This step is crucial for acne-prone skin that may be using heavy sunscreens. Step 2. Scond cleanse. Time 1-2 mins. Asterisk goal. Asterisk goal. To remove any residual impurities and prepare the skin for exfoliation. Asterisk. Hashk. Now we'll use a low pH, foaming cleanser with salicylic acid or tea tree to cleanse the pore lining itself and ensure a perfectly clean canvas. Asterisk. Action. Asterisk. Action. Apply a water-soluble cleanser. Massage in circular motions, focusing on congested zones. Rinse thoroughly with tepid water and pat dry with a clean tissue or towel. Ask. Step 3. Skin analysis and confirmations. Time firmation. Time 2 minutes. Asterisk. Goal. To finalize the extraction plan under magnification. Ask. Action. With skin clean, re-examine under the magnifying lamp. Gently stretch the skin in areas of congestion to assess extractability. Mentally map the areas for focus. Now that your skin is clean, I can see the congestion even more clearly. We have some excellent candidates for extraction today on the nose and chin, which will respond very well. Asterisk. Step 4. Chemical exfoliation, softening muscui. Time 10-12 mins. Under steam. Asterisk. Goal. To soften the stratum corneum, dissolve the intercellular glue, desmosomes, and sebum plugs, making extractions easier and less traumatic. Asterisk. This is the most important step to prepare your pores. I'm applying a professional strength salicylic acid and enzyme mask. Salicylic acid is oil soluble, meaning it can dive into the pores to break up the clog from the inside. The fruit enzymes work on the surface to dissolve dead skin cells. We'll combine this with gentle steam to enhance penetration. Asterisk. Action. Asterisk. Apply a thin, even layer of the exfoliating mask, avoiding the immediate eye area and any severely inflamed broken skin. 2. Position the facial steamer at a safe distance, 18 inches. Steam for asterisk 8-10 minutes maximum. Steamer should have a timer. 3. Asterisk. During steam, perform a gentle décolleté and shoulder massage. I'll massage your shoulders and décolleté while the mask works its magic. The steam helps the active ingredients penetrate deeper. 4. After steaming, remove the steamer. Use damp, warm gauze 4x4 to gently wipe off the mask using light, upward strokes. Rinse the gauze frequently. Step 5. Manual tar action. Asterisk. Goal. To safely and hygienically remove the softened comedones and blackheads. Asterisk. Your pores are now optimally prepared. I will use sterile implements and cotton-wrapped fingers to perform the extractions. The goal is to use minimal pressure. If a blockage does not release after 1-2 gentle attempts, we will leave it to avoid damaging the follicle. Our motto is, kind, not forced. Asterisk. Action, the Tekka. 1 toast. Asterisk. Action, the Tekka. Sanitation. Asterisk. Put on gloves. Wipe the area with a mild antiseptic toner. 2. Asterisk. Tool. Use. Asterisk. Comedone extractor. The small round loop end for isolated blackheads. Place the opening directly over the comedone. Press down gently and rock slightly. The plug should emerge with minimal pressure. 3. Ask finger technique, preferred for multiple blackheads. Ask wrap the index fingers with clean, dry cotton gauze. Position fingers on either side of a pore, stretching the skin slightly. Apply even, rolling pressure downward and then upward into the pore. The sebaceous filament or blackhead should release. 4. Ardor of work. Ashed. Start with the asterisk nose, ashed. Often easiest, builds confidence. Move to asterisk shin, then asterisk forehead. Cheeks are last as they are more sensitive. 5. Ask what not to extract. Ask inflamed papules, red bumps, pustules with a thin, unstable surface, or any nodular cysts. Explain, this area is inflamed. Extracting it now could push bacteria deeper and worsen the lesion. We will treat it with high-frequency and antimicrobial masks to bring down the inflammation. 6. Astericeratia. Wipe with an antiseptic, calming toner, witch hazel, niacinamide, aloe. Constantly assess for redness. Ask. Step 6. High-frequency treatment. Ask. Goal. Does disinfect extracted areas, reduce inflammation, and shrink pores. Ask. I'm now using a tool called high frequency. This argon gas glass electrode creates a subtle ozone, which is a powerful natural antibacterial. It will help calm any redness from extractions, prevent potential breakout from bacteria, and help tighten the appearance of your pores. Asterisk action. Use the asterisk spot applicator, the mushroom-shaped electrode, for precise work on extracted areas and inflamed acne. Use a slow, gliding, circular motion just above the skin surface. You will see a violet light and hear a buzzing sound. Use the asterisk Saturn electrode, asterisk for overall toning. Ask. Never use over metal implants or a pacemaker. Ask. Step 7. Teeter-Q Mosque wheel. Thai Mosque wheelsk. Time. Time mins, no steam, asterisk, goal. To deliver concentrated actives, soothe post-extraction skin, and regulate sebum. Now, we'll apply a calming and clarifying mask. This one contains clay to absorb residual oil, sulfur to regulate bacteria, and aloe vera to soothe the skin. This is the treatment part of the mask, allowing your skin to absorb beneficial ingredients in a calm state. Asquiction. Ascrix. Action. Ascric. Apply a generous, even layer. Offer cucumber slices or a chilled eye mask for relaxation. Let the client rest. This is your time to relax and breathe. The mask is doing its work. After 10 minutes, remove with cool, damp gauze for an added anti-inflammatory effect. Ask. Step 8. Toner. Serum and moisturizer asterisk goal. To rebalance pH, deliver targeted actives, and hydrate without clogging pores. Even acne-prone skin needs intelligent hydration. A balanced skin barrier is your best defense against breakouts. I'm using a toner with niacinamide to regulate oil and strengthen, a serum with hyaluronic acid and peptides for hydration and repair, and a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Asterisk. Action. Asterisk. 1. Toner. Asterisk saturate a cotton pad and swipe, or pat directly into skin with hands. 2. Asterisk serum. Dispense 2-3 drops, warm between palms, and press into the skin. 3. Ask moisturizer slime screen. Ascarate. If daytime, apply a broad spectrum, non-comedogenic SPF 30 or higher. If evening, apply an oil-free moisturizer. 4. Ashed spot treatment, optional. Ashed. Apply a tiny dot of benzoyl peroxide or silicic acid gel on any non-extracted, active blemishes. Thank you for taking time to care for your skin today.